Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. March 20, Monday. Our market dropped 18.70 points or down 0.28% to close at 6,451.02. Value turnover is at 4.2 billion pesos. So after that FTSE rebalancing last Friday, it's a busy weekend for global investors, no? So as they waited for the resolution ng Credit Suisse crisis, of course it's not a uh di siya overnight. It's been around, no, since last year, no? But sabi ko nga, if you're having a bad day, remember that the Saudi National Bank invested close to 10% sa Credit Suisse for around $4 per share. In a span of 6 months, they already lost 93% of their invested funds. No? As UBS, which is the rival bank, the Credit Suisse, no, hurriedly saved the company. Of course, parang shotgun wedding yan. Last week, ayaw naman talaga ni UBS yan, but this is a government brokered deal. No? So they're purchasing Credit Suisse at a uh, 3 billion dollars, no? Initially, yung offer nila very lowball $1 billion no, or 50 billion pesos, no? Even the SM family could bid for the assets ni Credit Suisse. Sobrang lowball yun to the point na yung office buildings pa lang ni Credit Suisse, no? It's already valued at $500 million, no? So anyway, for the winners and losers here, no, the winners is definitely UBS as they have acquired a significant assets under management, no? Uh, but please note na yun nga, the acquisition also entails some risk, no? Kaya nga they need some security from the government, no? So the losers here are the shareholders ni Credit Suisse, no? Please note na yun nga, yun yung kinagagalit ng mga investors, no? Sa risk tier nila dapat yung bonds mauna for before equity. But yun nga, the government suddenly wiped out yung bond value, no? So anyway, that's a different topic. But of course, sabi ko, we need to discuss that kahit konti lang, no? Because it will dictate the direction of our market. No? Of course, this is not yet over, no? Uh, but kahit anong good news mo sa equity market, if the global funds, no, wants to sell, wala talaga pupuntahan, no? Anyway, there will be a Fed meeting this March 21 and 22. So we're looking at least Fed a 25 basis point rate hike or at least pause the rate hike, no, to assess the situation, no? Before Credit Suisse naman yung Silicon Valley nag-collapse rin, no? So we don't have any exposure that kahit nga yung Philippines natin, despite being a third world country, what I like about that is we're resilient. We're very traditional, no? If you check yung business model ng banks natin, talagang lending, no? Doon sila kumikita, no? Anyway, for the Philippines naman, we're expecting at least Benjamin Jock, no, is expecting a 25 basis point rate hike this Thursday, no? Then baka mag-pause na tayo by May, no? Anyway, welcome to another lecture, no? It's a busy day, no? Why do we need to change our voice, our ano, no? Of course, we're getting popular na, no? This channel is getting so much attention that we have friends in the industry, no? We have friends from UBS, we have friends from Credit Suisse, we have friends all over the world. Hello and welcome to this channel, no, Market Babbler. Anyway, what's yun nga, no? This is a no filter channel, no? So I hope I don't hurt anyone here, no? Trabaho lang, no? Hobby lang, katuwaan lang, no? The problem here is of course with the acquisition of UBS kay Credit Suisse, may matatamaan ditong there will be some job cuts, no? So there will be some laying off and I would be surprised if Credit Suisse downsize their operations here in the Philippines, no? They have a very bright investment banker in Mark Uy, no? Their country head. Unfortunately, yun nga, no? He is also involved in the past deals. I used to work in JP Morgan. Yun nga, unfortunately, tinamaan lang, no? So, Credit Suisse issue has been around, no? Or Archegos issue na yan. Then, yung Minagic pa yung libro nila, no? But unfortunately, yun nga, they already started laying off, or at least jumping ships yung mga ibang tao, no? Ang pangit kasi yung term ng laying off nila, that's why they're equity trio, no? Sa China, sa Japan, and sa APAC, no? Already jumping ships. Or although sinasabi nila business as usual, they need to downsize, especially UBS. They also have an exposure here. They have an investment banking team here led by Lauro Baja, no? So, there's no point of maintaining two investment banks. So, sabi nga nung UBS, they need to downsize, no? So, they need to fit the risk exposure. So, yun yung binabantayan natin, no? Anyway, video closed lower today, down 4.78%. No? It was a mark on close the other day, 12710 yata close. No? So, anyway, uh, very volatile yung mga banks dito. No? But the other bank that I'm currently monitoring is China Bank. No? If you don't know yet, no? The chairman of the board, Hansi, acquired 1 million shares recently, no? Increasing his stake there. So, we're just waiting for the final dividend announcement. But they earned, I think, 19.1 billion last year if you're using the same formula of a 30% dividend ratio. They're expecting around close to 2 pesos per share dividend here. No? Anyway, so there's also an foreign buying recently here. AEV, Ali, Meralco, Pure Gold, Metrobank close low higher. No? GMA7 is also starting to move. No? So if you don't know yet, it's dividend season. Most of the stocks are moving. No? So, yan. Semirara above 30 pesos. No? The problem here is, of course, people are expecting that coal prices should be peaking next year. So it really depends on the demand ng China and India. But market forces are telling us na kaya nga siya naglag. But even the family of Konsun Hee are bullish on the prospects. That's why they're acquiring. No? So it's a tug of war. Sino manalo there? No? Anyway, Asian also closed higher. No? So they has officially opened the stage 1 of their New England solar project. Espinec is also moving na, no? 1.67 after consolidating the past year. No? At least it's above SRO price. So let's see if they will get the much awaited increase in authorized capital stock to accommodate that asset infusion. No? So for the past 4 or 5 months, people are asking when increase in authorized capital stock. When? Do you think November? Do you think December? Do you think January? Do you think February we will get increase on authorized capital stock? March, no, will get, di ba? Matatapos na yung March. Do you think they will get increase in authorized capital stock? No? Anyway, it looks like na it's already pricing in. No? So let's see if yun na yun. No? Of course, with that approval, kahit madelay yung IPO ni Prime Infra, no? Hindi naman, dalawang company naman yan. The one is Enrique Razon and this is Juan Revista. There's no connection between these two. No? Except na Enrique Razon has some stake in some of the projects ni Solar Philippines. No? So, Ayala already converted their debt to equity sa Espinec, no? So, Ayala owns, I think, 5% stake in Espinec na. So, Espinec has to institutionalize more shares. There's also a big block sale kanina sa Espinec, no? 100-something million. Anyway, FNI, no, also signed an annual purchase agreement, no, for the supply of around 1.5 million metric tons of nickel ore for the mining season, no. So it goes lower today. Just following the movement of Nickel Asia. Nickel Asia is the Batman. Ito naman yung Robin, no? Sidekick na lang to, no. East West also grew its net income to around 4.6 billion last year as they recorded a double-digit growth revenue, no. So this is one of the undervalued banks out there, but yun nga, no? Doon tayo sa malaki magbigay ng dividend na. No? Maxis also saw their income soared by 163% pre-pandemic level around 622 million, no, driven by strong core portfolio of brands across its local and international store network. No? So if you don't know, no, Maxis also acquired Pancake House. No? Pancake House, iba na may-ari yan. It was also listed, but yun nga. No? Then Maxis also had a follow-on offering the past 5 years. No? Anyway, with regards to San Miguel, no, they released a notice of termination for the two power supply agreement with Meralco, FYI lang. Anyway, our passcode is Credit Suisse. Yan yung mga pinag-uusapan right now. Makiuso na tayo, no? I hope this does not escalate further. No? Of course, this is not the end for this company. No? So, and we see more problems, issues. Buti na lang resilient yung economy natin. Resilient yung Philippines. No? Wala tayong exposure there. But kawawa yung mga Credit Suisse bondholders natin there. No? If you haven't noticed, the only stock that is very strong right now is GSMI, 150 something pa rin, no? Remember, no, we bought that around 110, 112, 115, yung highest natin. It was around February, no? So, may GSMI ba tayo? Meron. Doon tayo sa malakas, di ba? Binenta naman natin, hindi pa, di ba? We don't speculate. We anticipate, di ba? So people ask about ATN, no? So they got a special permit, no? Other than that, I didn't bother to read why. I don't. I focus on more important things, no? So I don't, di ba? When buying a stock, when buying a company, you also check the founders' their track record. Ano ba pinagagawa nila sa buhay nila? I don't even know what they're doing there, no? They also own PBGI, which is being affiliated before with Starlink. Alam naman natin na Starlink will not partner with them, no? They might engage a Starlink, no? Sino, uh, if you also check their social media pages, talagang it was created to hype their stock. No? Saan ka ba nakikita ang SOCMED officer na madaling araw nagpo-post pa? No? So, halatang alam mong, wow, US time ba yun? Di ba? Kalokohan. So, low base, pwede laruin, but bahala kayo. No? Just be quick. No? Upson also slashed their IPO price na. No? Listing ng Alter this Friday. Cemex tender offer, I think they will announce the final results soon. No? So, dami na lugi sa Cemex. No? When it was listed 10 pesos, no? They used the money to pay their debt. No? Other than that, wala. No? Tapos, bigla ngayon, the tender offer. Grabe. So what else, no? It's earning seasons na. So LTG, they're also net income, no? We already discussed that. No? Access, PNB. No? Yun. Anyway, let me know, no? So we're also active in Twitter. Follow me. No? So minsan nagpo-post tayo ng mga daily updates natin doon. No? Mas mabilis kasi kaysa mag-record, no? So anyway, please share this channel to your friends, families, and whoever. No? And let's pray for a peaceful resolution to this crisis. No? We don't want another financial crisis. Of course, another financial crisis would be an opportunity for us to accumulate lower. But yun nga, maraming tatamang tao. No? Maraming taong we don't want to, di ba? Wag mong wag mo ipag-pray, wag mong ano na may mawala ng trabaho. No? So I hope we can uh, pray for these affected people. Of course, if we can buy stocks lower, the better for us. Yun lang, mahirap lang eh. Na may mawawala ng trabaho because of that. So wala, no? So again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye-bye.